Hello, everybody. In this video, I'll give a quick recap of the stock market's performance in 2023. I'll go into if I think now is a good time to invest in the stock market, and I'll finish up with my investment strategy for 2024. The 2023 stock market did very well. Stocks had a strong year as inflation slowed, the economy remained strong, and the Federal Reserve signaled an end to its rate hiking campaign. The major stock indexes all finished higher, with the S&P 500 gaining 24.2% for the year, which is just short of an all-time high. The Nasdaq Composite rose 43.4% this year, its best year since 2020. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished the year as a 13.7% gain and notched a new all-time high in 2023. So with all the major stock indexes at or near all-time highs, is now a good time to invest? To answer that question, first let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index, which gauges the mood of the market. Many investors are emotional and reactionary, and fear and greed sentiment indicators can alert investors to their own emotions and biases that can influence their decisions. And as you can see right now, the market is considered to be in extreme greed. In times like this, I like to take advice from others who have been investing for a long time and know the market very well. And so in this case, look no farther than to what Warren Buffett has to say when the market is in extreme greed. Warren Buffett once said that it is wise for investors to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. I definitely try to live by this when I'm investing in the stock market. When others are greedy, prices typically boil over and one should be cautious lest they overpay for an asset. So what he's saying is you often will overpay for assets when everybody's piling their money into the market. So with that being said, what is my investment strategy for 2024? First, for my retirement accounts, I will continue to contribute to both my Roth and traditional retirement accounts every 2 weeks, regardless of what the market is doing. For me, I'm a very long-term investor in my retirement accounts, and so I'm just looking to dollar cost average whether the market's high or low. Individual stock investing is a little bit different, but you should also know that I'm only doing this with a very small percentage of my portfolio. My goal this year is to really dig deep into doing analysis to find companies with high growth rates, growing market share, proven business models, growing net income, strong financial statements, fair or undervalued companies, and some form of strategic advantage over competitors. I'd also like to find companies with great leadership, which I failed to write in there. But a little different on this. I don't just always buy stocks, even if I think they're great companies. I like to find individual stocks that are cheap. So yes, I use market timing. And again, this is only for a small portion of my portfolio. But I do want to let you all know stock analysis is not a black and white process, and it's rare a company will meet all these requirements. But if learning about how to analyze stocks interests you, then consider subscribing. I'll be sharing a ton of my stock analysis on this channel and stocks I'm considering buying. And then the last part of my investment strategy for 2024 is something new. I'm going to be dollar cost averaging a small portion of money every day the market is open into a total stock market index fund, a dividend index fund, and some form of crypto. I'm still deciding which crypto I want to buy and also which dividend fund index. I believe I'll do the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index for my total stock market investment. But if you have any comments on those or any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I appreciate y'all watching this till the end. Last but not least, just want to wish everybody a happy new year in 2024. Best of luck to all of you out there. Take care, and I will see you next time. If you're not sure what to watch next, check out another one of my videos right here.